Hello my beautiful queen, and welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Joy Amor and I'm your resident fat girl. This is my channel, but of course your community. If you are not new, welcome back, a team queen. Today we are doing a collaboration with the wonderful brand Truly Beauty. Listen, hello. This is one you don't want to miss. So if you want to see how to get that special time, that spa treatment, that time along with you and your beautiful body, then stay tuned, girl. We about to get right into it. Get in here. Let's have some fun. First and foremost, let me introduce to you Truly Beauty. Truly Beauty is a high-performing, sustainable, vegan, cruelty-free, which means they're not using animals to test their products. Like I said, sustainable brand. One of the things that I absolutely love about Truly Beauty is that they have a statement that says, beauty for the people. All people, girl. Hello, all people. That means that includes you. Oftentimes, you guys know that if you know, my message has been, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind's always stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? I want to know. It's not just my mantra or something that I live by, but it's a model for my life. And I like to see that model modeled in different companies. And for me, in different companies and brands. And for me, Truly Beauty is an epitome of that, because I have seen a wide array of beautiful complexions, shapes, and sizes that are representing their brand. And I think the number one way that they're representing that is by choosing me to collaborate with. So, you know, if you support me, I'm definitely going to support you. But it does not end there, because, girl, I need to know, what are your claims? Do these products work? What are we doing? I need to know what's going in and on my body, girl. So listen. They sent me some beautiful, beautiful products. I think a lot of you guys are familiar with their unicorn butter, okay? They have some beautiful creams and lotions and potions that they like to use. And I know that one of the most famous ones was the unicorn that was often on TikTok, which I use as well. Because you know I got a problem with being ashy. Don't judge me. But really quick, they came out with a new launch. For the last 3 to 4 weeks, I have been testing it, trying it, and using it every day. And as you can see, girl, look at my skin. Girl, that's why I came through with the halter, so I can give you the peripheral view, right? Anyway, that's the side view. Girl, you know what I mean. So let's get right into these products. So a few products that they have, okay, is the Acai Your Boobies, okay? It is a serum. A serum is to be used directly on your skin and to be applied. This is glass. It's to be applied with this dropper right on your breast. The good thing, boobies, the good thing about this is that it has acai, dragon fruit, vitamin A, and retinol. It's also an antioxidant booster. So what you're looking to do is to lift, okay, girl, lift. You need to be highly and lifted up. You're going to be lifting, firming, and tightening with your Acai Your Boobies. So this is kind of how I used it. They sent me a lot of products, so I'm going to try to get through it as quickly as possible. But that's the Acai Your Boobies. We're going to do the serums first. Also, they sent the anti-cellulites, girl. And this is a resurfacing body serum that is to smooth and tighten. Okay, it's orange flower, retinol, apricot, vegan, collagen, organic aloe. This is a boost. Okay, and girl, first of all, this one smells like orange and apricot. This one definitely smells like acai, ACAI, girl. You know what I'm talking about. It definitely smells like the fruits and the berries. And this one smells like watermelon. This one is for your booty. And this is the Buns of Glory Tighten Glow and Butt Serum. It's watermelon, vitamin E, apricot, orange flower, wheat protein boost. Okay, so those are your serums. Those are you going to be using after you take your shower. Let's back it up a little bit and talk about what we're using in the shower. Y'all know I love me a scrub. Okay, period. I love all of that, the things in the shower. They have a scrub that I love. It's blue, and I believe it's called Moon Rocks, I want to say, and I absolutely adore it. It really works with smoothing my skin. But they sent me for the shower the Acai Your Boobies, Acai Your Boobies Lifting Boob Polish. Look, girl, I've been polishing these boobies. Now, this is, as you can see, very pretty. Okay, I've been using it. This has a gritty texture where you can actually feel the exfoliation going on. You are to rub it in here, and it is to firm and tighten. It has dragon fruit, retinol, vegan collagen, and it is a high-performing product that is used as a beauty product. I absolutely love it. This is to firm and tighten. Now, listen, y'all. I'm a 48 triple D. In order to be highly lifted up, that's going to take more than what's in this glass. But when it comes to the appearance, if you can see, of the evenness in my skin, it makes me feel so soft. It smells delectable, and it makes me feel as though I'm really taking care of myself. So I love it. I absolutely, girl. It's not grape, but it's a berry, but a deep berry, floral berry, very good scent. Okay, I am very so much into scents, you know, anything that's going to heighten the senses. So that's going to be our senses, our touch, the way it looks, and to me, this definitely passes the test. Okay, so for our next thing that we have the smoothing butt polish to tighten and glow. It also has the retinol, apricot, and wheat protein. Okay, it's called the Buns of Glory. This one has more of a sweet taste, sweet smell, and it is more watermelon, I would say. I've definitely been using that to polish and tighten the booty. Okay, now, after we get out the shower, so this is how I do this, okay? While I'm in the shower, I'm putting this butt polish on my butt. I've been putting the booby polish on my boobies. And I'm going to be honest, I went all the way up here. I know my boobies ain't up here, but I'm like, if this is going to help my boobies, this needs to be all up. So I went, as you can see, all the way up to the top part of my shoulders with that. And it feels amazing. Now, after I come out the shower, I dry off. I'm still a little bit damp. Then I take, as you can see, this one and this one have been my favorite, okay? This one I really, really like. So this is glass, high quality. Let me take this, okay? And we put it like that. That's it. After the shower. That's all I do. And hit it with a good old 1-2. And it doesn't feel greasy. To me, it feels and smells so good. And it really makes a noticeable difference, okay? In the lines, lumps, and bumps that are typically on my skin and making my skin more even. So I really, really like that. So that's that. And then this one is anti-celluloid. I'm going to be honest, I use this on my arms because I feel like, you guys know I struggle with how I feel about my arms because I have these lines here. So I use this the most on my arms and on the top part of my back. But I absolutely love it. So after we do the serum, after we do the polish, we do the serum. After the serum, then we do the butter. So there's the Acai Your Boobies Lifting Boob Butter, firm and tighten. I've been using that. Okay, right up in here, all of this. And then the Buns of Glory, smoothing butt butter, tightening and glow. Again, they've been consistent. Oh, girl, stuff is just falling out everywhere. So let me just show you, because I can't show you on my booty, girl. Won't be doing that. But I can show you here. So this is the butter. The consistency is very thick. It doesn't, I wouldn't say it feels like other butters, but you don't need a lot. That's the thing I like about it. You don't need a lot. You only need a very little bit, and a little bit goes a long way. If you use too much, I do feel like that may have the potential to make you feel a little greasy, okay? So don't use too much, girl. Now, let's talk about the star of the show. Let's just get right into it. Let's not even waste no time. The star of the show. If I had to pick a star, girl, the star of the show would be the anti-cellulite body mask. To me, this can be put everywhere. On your thighs, on the back of your thighs, on your booty. It definitely, in my opinion, did make a difference. It made a difference in my thighs, my inner thighs, and the back parts of my thighs, as well as my butt. And what I'm hoping for is to minimize some of the stuff that I had going on with the lumps and bumps when it came to my arms. Okay, so as you can see, because I will insert a picture of the before of my arms, I also will insert a picture of the before and after, the difference of this part, so you guys can see that for me it made a difference. Now, is it a humongous difference? I wouldn't say that it's a humongous difference, but I definitely will tell you that if I could purchase one thing, I won't say if I could purchase one thing. I would purchase quite a few things. I would purchase this booby serum, okay? I really like this. And the one that you use in the shower, the polish, which to me is a scrub. They name it a polish. I would call it a scrub. I absolutely love it. It smells good. It's high quality. It's a good consistency. I absolutely would definitely recommend 10 times out of 10. There's also some other products. I'm going to put them down in the description box that I personally love, that I purchased with my own money, okay, that are helping me to say bye-bye to the ash. Not ass, ash, okay? Ash be gone. So I'll definitely put that down in the description box. Really quick, let me just go over a few things about some of these items, girl, and I will get you on your way and out of your hair. Be right back. Bonus, one of the things that they gave me that I absolutely love, other than this little carrying case for when you travel, girl, you can never have too many of these, is what made me really feel bougie. Okay, maybe bougie ghetto, but anyway, that's not the point. This spoon, girl, is this not cute? To me, this is helpful because I have nails and I hate digging in things. So what I would do is take this and then, right, it makes it so much easier. Just a real quick bonus. Girl, I love a free gift. Period. Okay, my beautiful queen. So let me just thank you for indulging me for a minute. So I did want to talk a little bit about the Acai Your Booby serum, okay? Before this collaboration, I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't know a lot about serums and why I needed serums, girl. Listen, we use lotion, and when we trying to be fancy, we may use a little bit of cocoa butter. Girl, we don't know nothing about no serums, okay? I don't know nothing about that. However, for me, this was one of my absolute favorite things. Let me go ahead and just show you what we're working with. Also, I'm gonna give you a little bit of information about the serum. So, the Acai, whatever, Your Boobies polish, it tightens and firms the skin. It reduces the appearance of fine lines, evens out your skin tone, and this is a gentle serum, and it features powerful antioxidants. It has high-performing ingredients like retinol, which strengthens, firms, and smooths your skin. It tightens the skin, and it reduces the appearance of fine lines. As you can see, that definitely did that for me, because I had a lot of, lines here, and they're gone, okay? So for me, I really, really like that. Okay. So the key word here is tightening, smoothing, strengthening, and anti-aging, okay? Which I'm not worried about the anti-aging part, but I do like having an even skin skin tone. So that was important for me. Okay, the next thing that was on my list, like I said, if it's something that you need to get, and that is the booby polish. Again, to me, this has the sort of has the consistency like a scrub, but not as harsh. It's very smooth. It smells very good. When I say grainy, it's got some little bits and pieces, girl, for you to scrub all that foolishness off of you. Okay, and so for that tightens, firms. It again has high antioxidant ingredients like vitamin A and retinol. And a lot of these work in congruent with each other. So you need several of them, right? But like I said, if I was going to just get a few, it would definitely be the acai your boobies, the polish, the serum, and the butter, which I absolutely adore. Also, this anti-cellulite mask, which acts like lotion. You do not have to rinse it off. You take it out. Okay. This is what it looks like. It has a peach color. It's not as thick as the rest of these. The rest of these are very thick. This is not. And you just put it on like lotion. Okay. And let it rub and penetrate down into your skin. If I were to say this has a smell, it's very fresh. A very fresh, light smell. Not heavy at all. Okay, very good for your legs. Not greasy. Quick to rub in. I love it. So, get the acai, your boobies, the polish, the butter, and the serum. And go on down there and get that anti-cellulite, girl, because it's good for your legs and such, your arms, to help get rid of some of your cellulite and at least hide the appearance of the cellulite. In the research that I've done for the company, I really like the way they handled me. I like the way that they approached me. I like the way that they allowed me to be myself and to be honest, because I was not going to be on here lying for nobody. So for that, I really appreciate it. To me, I also love the message that they have about saying that beauty is for everybody. Not just certain bodies, but beauty is for everybody. So yes, girl, they let fat girls do beauty reviews too. I also saw Juicy. I saw I Am Melissa Danielle. I saw some other African-American influencers that were also in support of the product. And for me, I felt comfortable endorsing this product. So at this time, right now, today, 2020, I'm definitely endorsing Truly Beauty. I really like the way that they handled the situation. I implore you to do your research, but like I said, these are the products that I recommend today. It definitely did work for me. Was it a dramatic change? No, but I do think as with long-term using it definitely will help. I noticed the difference. I love the way it makes my body feel. And with us being stuck in quarantine, girl, we're not able to go out right now, girl. We can't go outside and play. We need spa days. And to me, this all represented a spa day for me at home. So you guys head on over there to Truly Beauty. I'm going to include a code. I'm going to include a code for you guys to be able to use to save you guys some money, some quaint, as my best friend would say. So you guys get on over there to Truly Beauty. Check it out. Don't hesitate to ask me any questions. If you have any questions, definitely put that down below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Listen, if you have any questions, comments, or concern, please comment down below. Let me know how you feel about bubbles and suds and soaps and berries and all this kind of stuff. Let me know if this is something that you would try, if it's something that you have tried before. I would love to know your thoughts. But listen, you already know how we're going to take this on out of here, even with Truly Beauty, girl. Beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? I want to know. Girl, listen, go on down there and get some of this acai for your boobies, girl. Yes, period. We love it. I love you guys. Have a wonderful week. Bye.